It's looking good. The fuming hot fried rice. Boomba, 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 boom. Boomba, 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 boom. When you do this action together, not that action together, this action together, absolutely boomba, boomba. Today, we're going to make farmhouse chicken fried rice. Basically, you can use all the vegetables. What I love, surprisingly, cucumber. You can cut the cucumber with skin on actually into small pieces. Otherwise also, we can use corn, beans, carrot, cabbage, capsicum, green chilli, ginger, garlic, all from my farm. So very easy to grow, but if you see that the carrot and beans are not the summer crops, but we have some plants left over and we still have few of the beans coming. For a good fried rice, you want a flaky rice, so boil the rice and spread it on the table, and so that you should be able to toss it easily without sticking, so let it cool down. Another thing is our Indian jasmine rice is one of the best rices to make these kind of fried rice. And today if you notice, if you take one bowl of rice, you got to take one bowl of vegetables and other ingredients together. So 1:1. One rice, one bowl of rest of the ingredients. That is what will make your rice very tasty. And also, it will be very light when you eat. For making this, we are going to marinate the chicken with a little bit of ginger garlic paste, chili powder, some salt and some flour. If you want, you can also add egg to this, not the whole egg, just little bit of egg white, and rest of the egg anyway we are going to add in this fried rice. Mix this chicken and keep it ready. First, I am going to fry some eggs, then the chicken, then we are going to mix all of this and make a fantastic farm fried rice, because more vegetables, more tastier, more healthy. Why is fried rice so tasty? Because you can taste each ingredient separately in a fried rice and you season them right. So first, we are going to, for making the fried rice, always use a wok which is nice and big. The oil is hot in a non-stick kind of pan here. So add the beaten egg, sprinkle a little bit of salt. Now toss this egg and look at it. Here is a fried egg in small pieces, perfect for a fried rice. Now in the very little oil, we are going to add the chicken. Before you add the chicken, make sure that the oil is hot and wait for a few seconds, then toss it, scramble it. Repeat it couple of times and your chicken will be ready. This kind of scrambling works when you cut the chicken pieces really small. If you have slightly bigger chicken pieces, then better to deep fry. Chicken, toss it, and now what's next? Get the vegetables, the sauces and rice together in a hot pan. Now the easiest way for home cooks to do is put all the sauces together in a bowl. I have got a green sauce, chili sauce. If you have a chili paste, you can do it. If you want fermented soya beans, you can add to this. In this, add soya sauce, a little bit of vinegar. To compensate for the sourness in all these ingredients, you have to add sugar, a little bit of flavoring salt, crushed pepper. Now mix all of this together. Be careful, do not be tempted to put all this sauce together at one time. So add little by little, make sure that the sugar melts. All these sauces are salty, so when you add salt, you have to be a little bit careful. Add oil, the pan is super hot. Okay, that is good. In this, add ginger, garlic. It gives a very good taste. We're going to add all these mixed vegetables on one side. Okay? And you want the rice also to be slightly fried. So we're going to add the rice on one side. Look at this. In the center, add some of the sauce. As I told you, be very careful, do not add too much. Now, slowly, boomba, 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 boom. Boomba, 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 boom. Slowly. What is this doing is the rice that is sticking on the sides, slightly it gets sizzled. That's what will give you taste. So one more time. Boomba, 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 boom. Now, the real boomba, boomba action. All you need to do is just take the wooden spoon and toss it. Okay. What this does is, it gets mixed. But after doing 1 or 2 tosses, add the chicken and the egg. It's a very hot flame. Just mix all of this together. Then put this wooden spoon or the steel ladle that's used for fried rices and keep mixing. When you do this action together, not that action together, this action together, this is all mixed up. Perfect. And wow, everything is perfect. I'm going to add some cucumber. Some people think I'm crazy, but this is excellent. Add spring onions and one last time together. Boomba, 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 boomba. And switch off the flame. Ready to serve the hot fried rice. Who will serve this fried rice in a banana leaf? This guy, come here, come here, come here. Pranav, he did this. So, on a banana leaf, he says this is a farmer's fried rice. So, we got to serve it on a banana leaf. My God. In fact, I thought it was a joke, but it's looking good with the green on the outside and the fuming hot fried rice. See, look at this. The rice perfect, everything. And, wow. My goodness. My life is done. This is how you should eat it. You know, a little bit tossed cucumber on top and every bite, wow. You put in the fork, you get a piece of chicken, piece of egg, all mixed vegetables together, nice and fine. Friends, life is beautiful. You got to enjoy. But as I told you, 1 bowl of rice, 1 bowl of rest of the vegetables and other things. That's when this becomes even more tastier. When you do this action together, not that action together, this action together, absolutely boomba boomba.